In the Horn of Africa, Somalia is the continent's most easterly country. It has the longest coastline in mainland Africa, stretching more than 3,000 kilometers along the Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Aden, and the Red Sea. Its location turned Somalia into a strategically important trading center in the ancient world. But the history of Somalia dates back much further, to some of the earliest human settlements in the world. These cave images of a life of herding in the Lasgil wall paintings in northwestern Somalia are estimated to date back between 3,000 and 6,000 years BCE. They're the first chapter in Somalia's now largely around 12 million Somalis, most of them herders, farmers, and fishermen, live in the country's 600,000 square kilometers. Despite being a member of the Arab League, Somalia's main language is Somali. The only Arabic speakers are people who've studied the language or lived in Arab countries. With the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, Somalia's strategic location became even more significant. Being at the intersection of Africa and Asia did not go unnoticed in the West. In 1884, the United States and 13 European countries met in Berlin, their aim to divide the African continent between them. They divided what we know as Somalia into 3 provinces, each ruled by a different European country. British Somalia, Italian Somalia, and French Somalia. The mainly Somali region of Ogaden was taken by the Ethiopian Empire and the NFD by Kenya. Both British and Italian Somalia gained independence in 1960. French Somalia voted to remain under French rule, despite accusations of ballot rigging, but later voted firmly for independence in 1977 and became Djibouti. The former British and Italian territories immediately united, forming Greater Somalia on the 1st of January 1960. Somalis elected Adam Abdullah Othman as the first president of the united country. He ruled for 7 years and was succeeded after a free and peaceful election by Abdel Rashid Ali Sharmarka. This was when Somalia's peace and stability earned it the nickname the Switzerland of Africa. Former British Somalia declared its independence from Greater Somalia. It calls itself the Republic of Somaliland, but has little international recognition even today. The rest, what had been Italian Somalia, became the Federal Republic of Somalia. When Somalia freed itself from colonial rule in 1960, its future seemed bright. It was peaceful and stable, had free and fair elections, and its geographical position in the world was commercially important.